In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable the mouse click sound on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. The steps are the same for both versions of Windows, so you can follow along no matter which one you are using. Let's begin. First, go to the search icon on your taskbar and click on it. Now, type the word Control. You will see the best match as Control Panel. Click on that. When the Control Panel window opens, maximize the window so you can see everything clearly. Now, look at the top right corner of the window. There is an option called View By. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Large Icons. After doing that, your Control Panel will show more options in a list. Look through the list and find the option called Sound. Click on it. A new window will appear called Sound. This is where you can manage different system sounds. Make sure you are on the Sounds tab, which is the second tab at the top. Now, in the section called Program Events, scroll down slowly until you find the option called Select. Click once on Select to highlight it. Next, look below where it says Sounds. Click on the drop-down menu to choose a sound for the mouse click. You can choose any sound from the list that you like. If you want to hear how it sounds, click the test button after selecting one. Once you are happy with your choice, click Apply and then click OK. From now on, whenever you click or select something, you will hear that sound. If you want to turn off the sound later, come back to the same window. Scroll to Select and then choose None from the Sounds list. Click Apply and then OK again. This will disable the mouse click sound. That's it. Now you know how to turn the mouse click sound on or off on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching.